Hey guys, happy 4th of July. I'm Lucy and welcome to 𝗕𝗲𝗄𝗃.
Hi everybody, I'm Alexis. Welcome. We are here at 𝗕𝗲𝗄𝗃 to teach you a kitchen skill and then demonstrate that skill in a recipe. And today we're making a fun 4th of July recipe, a pudding. And we have red raspberries and blueberries to make it super festive. And what are we going to teach the kids how to do today?
Temper egg yolks.
Yeah, that sounds a little bit complicated, but really what it means is when you're making a pudding, if you poured hot milk right into the egg yolks, it would scramble them. And so you need to do it slowly and carefully and whisking the whole time. And we're going to show you how to do this. This is a recipe where you want some help by an adult or, an older sibling, because it's definitely easier with two people, right? One pour, one whisk. Okay, so we're gonna get started, and Lucy is gonna whisk the egg yolks using this beater. She's gonna do it for a couple of minutes so they get really nice, pale yellow and creamy. She's gonna do that with the sugar. So you add the sugar, and then meanwhile, we are going to heat up our milk. And we have the milk here. We're gonna pour that in our pot, and we are gonna infuse this milk with some flavor. We're going to put in a cinnamon stick and a strip of lemon. And what you do is you just get your vegetable peeler and you just peel off one strip of lemon and it goes right in. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
See you in a minute. Okay, we're back. Lucy was busy whipping up the egg yolks, and look, they got a really nice pale yellow color. We're gonna add a little bit of cornstarch slurry here. This is equal parts cornstarch and water. I'm gonna pour that in, and you just whisk that in. That's gonna help thicken the pudding even a little bit more. And we have our hot milk on the stove. Okay, you ready? So I am going to pour this in, and Lucy's gonna whisk. And we still have our cinnamon stick and our lemon peel in here, and that's totally fine. They can stay in there the whole time, and then we'll fish them out at the end. Okay, ready? So a little bit. It's okay if it splatters a little bit, and you whisk it. And so this just slowly brings the egg yolks up to temperature, and you don't have to worry about them scrambling. A little bit more. This is the same thing you do when you're making ice cream base, which we do a lot. Okay. So Luce, do you have any questions? Ooh.
What's the difference between pudding and custard?
So usually a custard is baked off in the oven, and a pudding is a stovetop mixture. And puddings tend to have a little bit more, they tend to have a thickening agent like cornstarch or gelatin or something like that. Both of them can have egg yolks, so that's not a distinguishing factor, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Custard's a little bit thicker, and pudding usually has the thickening agent in it. Okay, so once you get that ready, yep, that looks all perfect. See, no scrambled eggs. It's gonna be nice and smooth and creamy. We pour it back in the pot. Okay, I'm just gonna get my spatula to make sure that we get everything in there. So now, Lucy just gets to be patient. You get to sit here and stir. It just takes about 7 minutes and it'll thicken. You don't really need to bring it to a boil, it just should be on low heat. Stir, and then when that is all done, you need to cool it off for a little bit. We put it in these glasses so that you can see the pretty pudding, and we're gonna top it with the berries. It's gonna look so pretty and festive. My favorite part of this dessert is that you can do it ahead. So it just sits in the fridge and you pull it out for your 4th of July celebration. Great. Thanks everybody for joining us. We hope you enjoy, and we'll see you next time. Happy 4th of July.